In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a new line in an Excel cell. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and look for the grid of cells. You will be working with a specific cell, so keep your attention on the top left area of the sheet where the cell labels are easiest to see. Now click cell A1. When you click it, cell A1 should become highlighted, which shows that it is the active cell. This matters because any formatting or text behavior changes will apply to that exact cell. Once cell A1 is selected, you are ready to adjust how text appears inside the cell. Next, click the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. The Home tab contains the most commonly used tools for text formatting and alignment, so it is the right place to make this change. As you move your cursor to the ribbon, make sure you are selecting the Home tab and not another tab like Insert or Formulas. When you are on the Home tab, you will see groups of buttons that control things like font, number formatting, and alignment. Now within the Home tab, locate the Alignment group. This group is where Excel places the tools that control positioning and wrapping of text inside cells. Take a moment to scan the ribbon and find the button labeled Wrap Text. The Wrap Text button is the key to allowing multiple lines within a single cell. Click the Wrap Text button. After you do this, Excel will update the selected cell so that long text can automatically wrap to a new line inside the same cell boundary. At this point, the main idea is that Excel now supports line breaks within that cell, so the text will display across multiple lines rather than staying on one long line. If you already have text in cell A1, it should reflow and appear on new lines based on the cell width. If you are about to type, you can enter your text and continue it so that it can appear on the next line within the cell rather than overflowing into neighboring cells. This is especially helpful when you want a clean layout, such as writing addresses, creating notes, or showing instructions in a small space. To confirm that it worked, look at cell A1. You should see the text display in a way that uses multiple lines, and the row height may increase to accommodate the wrapped text. That row height change is normal because Excel is making room for the additional lines. If you do not see wrapping right away, check that you truly selected O1 before turning on wrap text, since the setting applies to the active selection. Also, if the cell width is very wide, there may be fewer visible line breaks because the text can fit on one line, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.